everyone, and thanks for joining me and King Louis today. I thought we would have a special guest, and look how beautiful he is. Isn't he just gorgeous? This is King Louis, but he's also known as the Ginger Ninja. That's by Jessica calls him the Ginger Ninja, and Charlie has just jumped up because he's like, Mum, why is Louis on the camera? And this is my furry ginger boy, but he prefers to be called Apricot. He doesn't like ginger. He says, I like apricot, but then saying that, ginger's very in, isn't it? Hi everybody, and big hello from all of us. So we've got, the boys today, and he likes his cuddles, don't you? This is my little old man. He's 14. He's the oldest. You're lovely, aren't you? So a big hi from me and King Louis, and also Charlie, who's there, and also the big massive frizzy hair. Look, I just anywho, I have a few things to talk about today. So the pick and mix challenge has been very successful, and a lot of you have picked your things out. I forgot to say the other day that Judith McPherson picked out her 5 things, and she had DSP, ink spray, coffee dyed paper and material. So don't forget, I will be picking one of you to try and do something with your items. And Judith has finished hers. Joanne has finished hers. Also Mummy C, Christine Mortimer has, and I have photos now of your projects, so I'm going to be putting them on one of the next pick and mix challenge video. I will be adding a bit extra with your pictures of your projects. So if any of you out there have done the pick and mix challenge and you have photos, you can email me them. Look at his beautiful face. You have the most beautiful green eyes. You can email me them, and I will then show them and show your projects. So we all can't wait to see them all. And the projects that I have seen are fantastic and put mine to shame, actually. So you're all doing a really good job. Go on then, you get down before Charlie smacks you on the head. So there's that. Now I have a few things to say. A big hi to Laura Hale. I don't know if I've actually, don't go and pick on him. Oh, he's just seen him out. He's just gone and chased after him. Big hi to Laura Hale. I'm not sure if I've said hello to you yet, but hi. And also Victoria Kellogg, sending you hugs, extra hugs, as she is dealing with some medical issues right now on top of everything else. So we are hoping that everything is okay, and we're sending you much love from all of us, but big hugs to you all, of course. Right, what else do we have? We have also had a question come in, which I'm saving for my questions and answers. So don't forget, if you have any questions and you want to take part in the questions and answers video for next week, then just ask a question on any of the videos, leave it in the comment box, and I will save them up and ask them in the video next week. So thank you, Jackie, for your question. I'm not going to tell everyone what it is. We will save it until, I'm not sure if I'm going to do it Monday or Tuesday, one of those. And I just want to say hi to Macaulay's Craft Studio, who had said that she hadn't commented because of various reasons, and that, do not worry, you're here with me. Even if you watch and you don't get to comment, we know you're here, and we just want to say thank you to everybody that does join us. A few things coming up. I've got a lot of videos to do, okay, and from next week I want to start certain videos on certain days of the week. So I'm going to have a schedule. That's what I'm trying to say. So I need to do a video with my planner so that I can show you what videos I'm doing. I need to get organized. It looks like Charmin is going to be home probably from next week, or at least the week after. So I can't pretend to do my housework anymore, so I'm going to have to schedule it in and look like I am doing housework. I'm going to have to run around with a broom in one hand and something crafty in another, and just anyway, we'll figure it out. I could be busted here. So anyway, I need to do a video with a planner and I can show my schedule, but I have lots of things. I've got videos to do for the 25 things to do when we're in isolation. So they're coming up. I'll be doing the I'll give you a quick rundown. So we're going to have a pick and mix challenge on a Monday where we pick them out, and then I will do it'll probably be put into 2 videos again, because I doubt if I'll get to use all 5 things in one project, so we probably end up doing more than one project, which will end up in 2 videos. So we'll have a video that day and a video the next day. I also want to do the questions and answers, which will probably be on Tuesday or Wednesday. I also want to do the videos on the 25 crafty things to do while we're in isolation, so I need to work my way through them. I also need to do one on the Facebook portal, but I need to find a volunteer that will talk to me on camera so I can show you it working. So I know there's a couple of you out there which I talked to on the portal. If you would like to volunteer to be on camera, then please volunteer. If not, I'll try and get Kay and the kids to do it, but I'd prefer it to be one of you guys if you will do it. And that's it. I think that's it. I made these cute little pockets, and a video is coming up on these. Aren't they super cute? So this is a video that I'm going to upload later after I've done this one. They are super cute, little tiny pockets, and they're using your stamps and your little scraps, and you've got all these little journaling spots as well. So I am covered in hairs everywhere. Honestly, I've got hairs everywhere. I have some organization videos coming up as well. Some rediscovering your stash videos. So lots and lots and lots to do. So I am going to go upload this video and also upload the little pockets that I've just made and shown you how to make them. So that's something for you to do and craft. And these are so cute. I love them. Look how dinky they are. Look there. And you can attach them into your journal, or you can clip them in the side or whatever. So there you go. I haven't got me heels on, but I've got me Minion pajama bottoms under here. I have. So yes, I think that's it. Oh, I know what I was going to do to make you smile. Actually, I have got something for you. Wait a minute. Now, this is going to make you laugh. Okay, I needed some book pages, and I found this book in my library. Now, I think I have read something out of this before. It is Uncle Remus. Now, for those of you who don't know this book, it's so funny. It's a very old book, actually. I don't know. Well, it's old. I'm not sure. 1888. And it's called Uncle Remus, Mr. Fox, Mr. Rabbit, and Mr. Terrapin. And it's written in a way that how you pronounce with an accent. So, okay, I'm going to read you a chapter. And I thought it would be really funny because I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So, let me start at the beginning. So this is Uncle Remus, Mr. Fox, Mr. Rabbit, and Mr. Terrapin. And introduction, I won't go into that. We'll just go straight to the story now. Okay. Are you ready? So we're going to start at the beginning. So Uncle Remus, Legends of the Old Plantation. Uncle Remus initiates the little boy. This is what the chapter is. One evening recently, the lady whom Uncle Remus calls Miss Sally missed her little 7-year-old. Making search for him through the house and through the yard, she heard the sound of voices in the old man's cabin and looking through the window saw the child sitting by Uncle Remus. Now, Uncle Remus is the one who's talking. You get his accent. His head rested against the old man's arm, and he was gazing with an expression of the most intense interest into the rough, weather-beaten face that beamed so kindly upon him. This is what Miss Sally heard. Blimey, one day, after Brer Fox been doing all dat he could fetch a catch Brer Rabbit, and Brer Rabbit been doing all he could for to keep him from it, Brer Fox said. Note the accent. To hisself dat he'd put up a game on Brer Rabbit, and he ain't mon got de words out his mouth, twell Brer Rabbit come a-lopping up de big road, looking des is plump and fat and sassy as a mogging hoss in a bowly patch. Hol on, dar, Brer Rabbit, says Brer Fox, says he. I ain't got time, Brer Fox, says Brer Rabbit, says he, sort o' mending his licks. I want to have some confab wid ya, Brer Rabbit, says Brer Fox, says he. All right, Brer Fox, but you better holler from what you're staying. I'm mustus full of fleas de morning. I'm monsters full of fleas this morning, says Brer Rabbit, says he. I seed Brer Rabbit yistiddy, says Brer Fox, says he, and he sort o' rake me all de coals, case you ate men fens and libber nibbly, and I told him dat I see ya. Oh, it's hard work reading this. Hope you're understanding what they're doing. Den Brer Rabbit scratched one ear wid his offing footer, jublously under the ups, and says he, Alla settin', Brer Fox, s'pose you dap round tomorrow and take dinner wid me. We ain't got no great doings at our house, but I spect the old woman and the chillins can sort of scramble round and get some footer, say your stomach. Oh my God, as you see how it's spelled, I don't know if you can read that. That shows you how it's how to read it. Right. I'm 'greeable, Brer Rabbit, says Brer Fox, says he. Den I'll pen on ye, says Brer Rabbit, says he. Next day, Mr. Rabbit and Miss Rabbit got up son for day and raided on garden like Miss Sally's out during, got some cabbages and some rossiniers and some sparrowgrass, and fix up a smashing dinner. Blimey, one of the little rabbits playing out in the back garden come running and hollering, oh ma, I seed Mr. Fox a-coming, and den Brer Rabbit he tucked them chillins by de ears and make 'em set down, and him, Miss Rabbit, sort of dull around waiting for Brer Fox, and they keep on waiting, but no Brer Fox ain't come. At a while, Brer Rabbit goes to do easy like and peep out, and sticking out from behind the corner was a tippin' of Brer Fox's tail. Then Brer Rabbit shot Dido and sot down and put his paws behind his ears and begin for to singing. I'm not going to sing. So anyway, you get the point. I just thought that would be really, really cool to read. And I'll read you some more tomorrow. You have to wait for the next bit. And that is Uncle Remus. How cool is that? And if you enjoyed that, please let me know. If you don't want any more and it's too much and painful, then let me know. I just want to make you smile and try and make you laugh. I know it's not easy at this moment in time, but let's keep hugging each other. Virtual hugs to you all. I love you guys. Thank you for supporting me, and I am here for you too. So take care for now. Love you lots. Bye.